morning, kids.
Good morning, kids.
How are you all?
They all are fit, fine, and cheerful.
Perfect. So, kids, here is your Lavina, ma'am.
And here is your Ishneet, ma'am.
So, kids, are you all ready to start your day with us?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. So, first of all, stand up, join your hands, close your eyes, start Namokar mantra. Namo Arihantanam, Namo Siddhanam, Namo Ariyanam, Namo Uvulchayanam, Namo Lohi Savyasahunam, Eso Panchanamokaro Savye Papanhasano, Manglanam Chesave Singh, Paramamahavai Mangalam. Continue with Guru Mantra. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwarai, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Continue with Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha Tassavitul Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodaya. Open your eyes, hands down. So kids, are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. So kids, first of all, tell us what is the date today?
Today is 19th January 2021.
Today is 19th January 2021.
And what is the day today?
Today is Tuesday.
Today is Tuesday.
Yes, so kids, you remember what we did in our last class?
Yes, kids, we did means of transport.
Yes, we did means of transport.
So, ma'am, what are means of transport?
Means by which people travel and goods are carried from one place to another.
Alright, kids, ऐसे vehicles जिनसे लोग one place से another place travel करते हैं and goods ले जाए जाते हैं from one place to another place.
उन्हें हम बोलते हैं means of transport. Okay, kids. And kids, what we did in our last class?
We did land transport.
Yes, we did land transport.
So, kids, हमने अपनी last class में किए थे ना land transport.
Yes.
And you know there are 3 types of means of transport.
Land transport, water transport, and air transport.
Alright,
Yes.
kids. So, ma'am, what are means of transport?
Means by which people travel and goods are carried from one place to another.
Alright, kids. ऐसे vehicles जिनसे लोग travel करते हैं from one place to another place या फिर सामान ले जाया जाता है from one place to another place.
Yes, these are
Means of transport.
Yes. So
And we did land
Land
transport in our previous class, okay? So now
Yes.
today we are going to revise it once again.
yes. So kids, what is land transport?
Vehicles that moves on land are known as land transport.
Vehicles जो कि land पे चलते हैं उन्हें हम बोलते हैं land transport. Like car, bus, truck, auto rickshaw, motorbike, etc. These are
Land transport.
Yes.
Alright. So what is land transport?
vehicles that move on land are known as land transport.
कि kids ऐसे vehicles जो land पे चलते हैं उन्हें हम बोलते हैं.
Land transport.
So हमने अपनी previous class में किए ना land
Yes.
transport. So
So-
let us revise it
Once again, so kids, we'll quickly revise it. Okay, kids. Now see, which land transport is this?
Yes, this is a jeep.
This is a jeep. And kids, it is a land transport.
It is a land transport.
Yes, and a jeep has 4 wheels.
Okay, kids, jeep के कितने wheels होते हैं? A jeep has
4 wheels. And kids, some jeeps are open and some are closed.
Kids, कुछ jeeps open होती है and कुछ jeeps close होती है.
Yes, and kids, we use jeep for military and safari purposes.
Kids, so हम jeep को कहाँ use करते हैं? For military and safari purposes. आपने
Yes.
देखा होगा ना कि बहुत सारे आर्मी ऑफिसर्स जा रहे होते हैं जीप में कि एंड जब हम किसी एडवेंचरस पार्क में जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे हम देखते हैं रिजॉर्ट में जाते हैं वहाँ पे ओपन जीप्स होती हैं.
Yes, and kids, a jeep runs with the help of petrol and diesel.
ओके किड्स, सो जीप कैसे चलती है? विद द हेल्प ऑफ पेट्रोल एंड डीजल.
Okay, kids,
सो व्हिच व्हीकल इज दिस?
this is a jeep.
This is a jeep.
It is a land transport
It is a land transport.
and it has 4 wheels.
It has 4 wheels.
Okay, kids, now see the next land transport.
Yes, kids. Now see the next land transport. This is a truck.
This is a truck.
Okay, and truck is a land transport.
Yes, a truck is a land transport.
आपने देखा है ना ट्रक कहाँ चलता है? लैंड पे
Land.
चलता है ना?
Yes.
So that's why it is a land transport.
Yes, and kids, a truck has many wheels.
कि kids, एक ट्रक के बहुत सारे व्हील्स होते हैं. हमने देखा है ना ट्रक छोटे भी होते हैं साइज में, बड़े भी होते हैं. उनके
Yes.
बहुत सारे व्हील्स होते हैं.
And a truck is used for carrying heavy loads, heavy goods.
ओके किड्स, so हम ट्रक में क्या कैरी करके लेके जाते हैं? ट्रक में हम जो हेवी गुड्स होते हैं ना, हेवी आर्टिकल, भारी सामान, वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह किसकी हेल्प से ले जाया जाता है?
With the help of truck.
Okay, so which land transport is this?
This is a truck.
This is a truck.
Okay, kids. Now see the next land transport.
Yes. See, which land transport is this?
This is a motorbike.
This is a motorbike.
Yes, and kids, motorbike is a land transport. Okay? And kids, how many wheels are there in a motorbike?
A motorbike has 2 wheels. That's why we call it a two-wheeler.
Yes, a motorbike has 2 wheels.
Okay, kids. इसलिए हम इसे क्या बोलते हैं?
Two-wheeler. And kids, while traveling on a motorbike, we should always wear a helmet.
Okay, kids. So for our safety, every time when you travel on a motorbike, you should wear a helmet. हमें
Yes.
कभी भी हम जब मोटरबाइक पे ट्रैवल करेंगे ना, तो हमें क्या वेयर करना है?
Helmet. Okay, kids. And a motorbike runs with the help of petrol.
So kids, मोटरबाइक कैसे चलती है? With the help of petrol.
Yes. So, kids, which land transport is this?
This is a motorbike.
This is a motorbike.
It is a land transport.
It is a land transport.
It has 2 wheels.
It has 2 wheels. Okay, kids.
Now see the next land transport.
Yes, which land transport is this?
This is a bullock cart.
This is a bullock cart and it is a land transport.
It is a land transport. आपने देखा है ना bullock cart कहाँ चलता है? लैंड पे चलता है ना?
Yes.
That's why it is a land transport.
Yes, and see kids, it has 2 to 4 wheels.
Okay kids, bullock cart के कितने wheels होते हैं? 2 to 4.
Yes, and kids, हम इनको कहाँ देखते हैं? We find them in a village.
ठीक है, जब हम विलेज जाते हैं तो मम्मा देखते हैं ना कितने सारे बुलक कार्ट्स होते हैं, है ना?
Yes.
So we find it in the village.
Yes, and who runs it?
Yes,
Yes,
kids. कौन रन करता है? It
It
is
is
pulled by an oxen.
Yes, so kids, which land transport is this?
This is a bullock cart.
This is a bullock cart.
And kids, हम bullock cart में क्या कैरी करते हैं?
Lots and lots of goods.
हम goods कैरी करते हैं from one place to another place.
Yes, and it has 2 to 4 wheels.
All right, kids. Now
Now-
see the next land transport.
Yes, which land transport? What are these? These are trains.
These are
trains. And trains move on a rail track.
kids. आपने देखा है ना trains कहाँ रन करती हैं? On
On
a
a-
rail track.
Yes, and trains has many wheels.
कि kids train के कितने सारे wheels होते हैं ना?
Yes.
Many.
And there are two types of trains. Okay, kids. One is goods train,
Goods train
and passengers train.
and passengers train.
So, kids, which train is this?
This is a passengers train.
Yes, and passengers train में कौन travel करता है? Passengers.
Okay, kids. Passenger train में passengers travel करते हैं from one place to another place.
Yes, and see, kids, which train is this?
This is a goods train.
This is a goods train. And goods train में क्या होता है? Goods train में carry करते हैं हम goods from one place to
Another
another.
place. Okay, kids. So goods train में सामान ले जाया जाता है एक जगह से दूसरी जगह तक.
Okay, kids. So
And आपने देखा है ना ट्रेन के आगे क्या लगे हुए होते हैं?
engine.
So train runs with the help of
Engine. Okay, kids. So which land transport is this?
these are trains.
These are trains.
All right, kids. So ये सारे land transport हमने अपनी previous classes में किए थे ना?
Yes.
Okay, now
Kids,
see, today we'll do water and air transport.
Yes. So kids, what is water transport?
Vehicles that moves through the water are known as water transport.
Vehicles जो कि पानी में चलते हैं उनको हम बोलते हैं water transport.
All right, kids. Now see, like ship, boat, yacht.
yacht. What are these?
These are water transport. All right, kids.
So
Now see, which water transport is this?
this is a ship.
This is a ship.
Yes, and ship is a water transport.
Ship is a water transport. Ship कहाँ चलती है? पानी पे चलती है ना?
Yes.
So ship is a water transport.
Yes, and ship is a large-sized vehicle.
Okay, kids. Ship कैसी होती है? साइज में बहुत बड़ी होती है ना?
And it moves all over the world.
Okay, kids. Ship कहाँ चलती है? पूरे वर्ल्ड में चलती है. पूरे वर्ल्ड के जितने भी
Oceans.
ओशंस होते हैं, सीज होते हैं, वहां पे आप कौन सा वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट देखते हैं?
Ship. Okay, kids. And ship में हम क्या carry करते हैं? Lots and lots of goods. And passengers travel in a ship.
Okay, kids. So ship में हम सामान भी ले जा सकते हैं one place to another place, and बहुत सारे passengers भी travel कर सकते हैं from one place to another place.
Yes, and kids, who rides the ship?
Yes, kids. A
Who's-
helmsman steers the ship.
कौन ship चलाता है? Helmsman.
Okay, kids. So ship कौन चलाता है?
Helmsman. And it is larger than boat.
Okay, kids. Ship boat से size में बहुत बड़ी होती है.
Okay, kids. So which vehicle is this?
This is a ship.
This is a ship, and it is a water transport.
It is a water transport.
Yes.
Okay, now see the next water transport.
Yes. Which water transport is this?
This is a boat.
This is a boat. And kids, boat is a
Water transport.
yes, and it is small sized vehicle.
Okay, kids. बोट का साइज कैसा होता है? छोटा होता है ना?
It is small sized vehicle, and it is made up of wood.
Kids, बोट किससे बनती है? Wood से. Wood means लकड़ी.
Yes, we use boat for riding in lakes and ponds.
So जब हम लेक साइड जाते हैं, पॉन्ड साइड जाते हैं, तो वहां पे हम देखते हैं ना बोट्स होते हैं और हम बोट राइड करते हैं.
Yes. Okay, kids, and it is smaller than ship.
Okay, kids. बोट साइज में शिप से छोटी होती है.
And we use oars to ride a boat.
And kids, हम क्या यूज करते हैं बोट चलाने के लिए?
Oars.
Okay, हम ओर्स की हेल्प से बोट राइड करते हैं.
Yes, so which water transport is this?
This is a boat.
This is a boat. Okay, kids.
Now see the next water transport.
Now see which water transport is this?
This is a yacht.
This is a yacht. Okay, kids, and yacht is a
Water transport.
Yes, yacht is a water transport. Okay, kids, and yacht is also known as motorboat.
And sailing boat.
Okay, kids, And what else? What else we know about yacht?
Yes, kids. So yacht को हम motor boat भी बोलते हैं और sailing boat भी बोलते हैं.
It is used for racing and sailing.
Okay, kids. So जब हमें racing के लिए हम जाते हैं ना beach side में, so हमने देखा होगा वहाँ पे racing boats जो होती है वो कौन सी होती है?
Yacht.
और kids हम इसे sailing purposes के लिए भी यूज
use
करते
करते
हैं.
हैं.
So ये जो आपने देखा है ना yacht के ऊपर जो है ये क्या है? Sails
Sails
है.
हैं.
So हम इसे sail
Sailing.
भी करते हैं with the help of
Oars. Okay, kids. So which water transport is this?
This is a yacht.
This is a yacht, and it is a medium-sized vehicle.
Okay, kids, and it is a water transport.
Yes. So, kids, what we have done? We have
done
done
water transport. And now we will do air transport. So, ma'am, what is air transport?
Vehicles that move through the air are known as air transport.
So, kids, ऐसे vehicles जो कहाँ fly करते हैं? Air
Air.
में, उन्हें हम बोलते हैं air transport. Like
Airplane and helicopter.
Alright, kids. Now today we'll do the air transport.
Yes.
Now see which air transport is this?
This is an aeroplane.
This is an aeroplane.
An aeroplane is a air transport.
Yes, kids. An aeroplane is a air transport.
Yes, and kids, so many passengers can travel in an aeroplane at one time.
कि kids आपने देखा है ना एरोप्लेन साइज में कितना बिग होता है, तो उसमें बहुत सारे पैसेंजर्स ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं एक टाइम पे. ओके
Yes, and kids, see, aeroplane has two wings.
ओके किड्स, एरोप्लेन के कितने विंग्स होते हैं?
Two
टू
wings.
विंग्स.
Yes, and who runs the aeroplane?
A pilot runs the aeroplane.
Yes, and kids, हम aeroplane को और कहाँ देखते हैं?
So kids, हम जब एयरपोर्ट जाते हैं तो हम वहाँ देखते हैं ना कि कितने सारे एरोप्लेन्स होते हैं.
Yes, we see aeroplanes in the airport, at the airport.
All right, kids. So which air transport is this?
This is an aeroplane.
This is an aeroplane.
Yes, and it is a air transport.
It is a air transport.
Yes, and it has two wings.
It has two wings and it runs by pilot.
Okay, kids.
Okay, now see the next air transport.
Yes, which air transport is this?
This is a helicopter.
This is a helicopter.
Okay,
And
kids, it is also a
air transport.
all right. ये भी
Yes.
एयर में फ्लाई करते हैं ना, अभी हवा में चलते हैं. तो ये
Yes.
क्या है? एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट.
It is known as a flying machine.
Okay, kids, so हेलीकॉप्टर फ्लाई करता है ना, that's why we call it a flying machine.
Yes, it is also known as chopper and fighter jet.
Okay, kids, so हम हेलीकॉप्टर को और क्या बोलते हैं? Chopper and fighter jet.
Yes, but like aeroplane, helicopter don't have wings.
Okay, kids, आपने देखा ना एरोप्लेन के तो टू विंग्स होते हैं, लेकिन हेलीकॉप्टर के विंग्स नहीं होते हैं.
It flies with the help of blade called rotors that move round and round.
Okay, kids, so हेलीकॉप्टर किसकी हेल्प से फ्लाई करते हैं? With the help of blades. और ये
Yes.
blades कैसे मूव करते हैं? Round and round. और इन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं?
Rotors. Okay, kids. So which air transport is this?
This is the helicopter.
This is a helicopter. Okay, kids. Now,
So kids, we have done water and air transport.
Yes.
And now it's time to do their spellings. अब हम इनकी spellings करेंगे ना, so सबको मैम के साथ बहुत अच्छे से सुनना है और बहुत अच्छे से repeat करना है. Okay, kids?
Yes.
Are you all ready?
yes. So kids, see which water transport is this?
This is a ship.
This is a ship. And kids, what is the spelling of ship? Speak with ma'am. S
S
H
H
I
I
P
P
S H I P ship.
S H I P ship.
What is the spelling of ship? S H I P ship.
S H I P ship.
Yes, now see the next water transport. Which water transport is this?
This is a boat.
This is a boat. Yes, and what is the spelling of boat? Speak with ma'am. B
B
O
O
A
A
T.
T.
What is the spelling of boat? B-O-A-T, boat.
B-O-A-T, boat.
Okay, kids. What is the spelling of boat? B-O-A-T, boat.
B-O-A-T, boat.
Now see the next water transport. Now see the next water transport.
Yes, now see the next water transport. This is a yacht.
This is a yacht. And what is the spelling of yacht? Speak with ma'am. Y
Y
A
A
C
C
H
H
T.
T.
Y-A-C-H-T, yacht.
Y-A-C-H-T, yacht.
Okay, kids, what is the spelling of yacht? Speak with ma'am. Y-A-C-H-T, yacht.
Y-A-C-H-T, yacht.
Very good. Now see the next transport.
Yes, which air transport is this? This is an aeroplane.
This is an aeroplane.
Okay, now
And
see.
what is the spelling of aeroplane? Speak with ma'am. A
A
E
E
R
R
O.
O
A-E-R-O, arrow.
A-E-R-O, arrow.
P
P
L
L
A
A
N
N
E.
E,
Aeroplane.
aeroplane.
A-E-R-O, arrow.
A-E-R-O, arrow.
P-L-A-N-E, plane.
P-L-A-N-E, plane.
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane.
Okay, kids. Now see the next air transport.
This is a helicopter.
This is a helicopter. And what is the spelling of helicopter? Speak with ma'am. H
H
E
E
L
L
I
I
heli.
heli
C
C
O
O
P
P
T
T
E
E
R.
R.
Helicopter.
Helicopter.
What is the spelling of helicopter? H-E-L-I, heli.
H-E-L-I, heli.
C-O-P-T-E-R, copter.
C-O-P-T-E-R, copter.
Helicopter.
Helicopter.
H-E-L-I, heli.
H-E-L-I, heli.
C-O-P-T-E-R, copter.
C-O-P-T-E-R, copter.
Helicopter.
Helicopter.
Okay, kids. So, what we have done, we have learned spellings of air and water transport.
Alright, kids. So, we know that there are three types of transport.
Yes.
Land transport,
Land transport,
air transport,
air transport,
and water transport.
and water transport.
So, ma'am, what is land transport?
Vehicles that move on land are known as land transport.
Okay, kids, ऐसे vehicles जो लैंड पे चलते हैं उन्हें हम बोलते हैं लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट. लाइक कार,
Bus,
ऑटो रिक्शा,
truck,
स्कूटर,
bicycle,
मोटर बाइक,
yes, etc.
etc.
are known as
land transport. And ma'am, what is air transport?
Vehicles that move through air are known as air transport.
Okay, kids, ऐसे vehicles जो कहाँ चलते हैं,
Air.
एयर में चलते हैं, उन्हें हम बोलते हैं
Air transport,
like
helicopter
helicopter and aeroplane.
and aeroplane.
And ma'am, what is water transport?
Vehicles that move through water are known as water transport.
Alright, kids, ऐसे vehicles जो पानी में चलते हैं उन्हें हम बोलते हैं
Water transport like ship,
ship,
boat,
boat,
and yacht.
and yacht.
So kids, what are these? These are water transport.
Yes, what we have done today, we
We
have
have done land transport,
land transport,
water transport,
water transport,
and air transport.
and air transport.
What
So
are these?
these
These are means of transport. Okay, kids. So are you all ready? Now
ma'am is going to ask you some
questions. Yes. Okay,
now the
now.
first question is,
Now see.
which land transport is this? Raise your hand.
Who is going to answer? Yes, Ahan Gupta. Unmute yourself.
Car.
Very good. This is a car.
Okay, now
Now-
the next question is
Okay, now the next question is name one three-wheeler. Okay, kids. Name one three-wheeler. Yes, Gaurik, unmute yourself. Yes, Gaurik, quickly, unmute yourself. Anybody else? Raise your hand. Very good. Auto
nice.
rickshaw. Very
Okay, now
nice.
the next question is where does it fly? Who is going to answer? Raise your hand.
Yes.
Kunsh Vaswani, please unmute yourself.
Air.
Very good.
Very
Very nice. Okay, now see, which land transport is this? Raise your hand. Who is going to answer? Yes, Mridul, unmute yourself.
Bus.
Very good.
Very
Bus.
nice. Okay, now the
Okay,
next
now-
question is
Okay, now.
where does it run? Who is going to answer? Raise your hand.
Yes.
Abir, please unmute yourself.
Yes, Abir, quickly, unmute yourself.
Yes, beta. No, beta, the question is where does it run? ये कहाँ चलती है?
नहीं चलेगा मैम को.
It runs on land. It is a land transport.
बेटा ये लैंड पे चलती है ना?
So it runs on land.
Okay, now
now.
the next question is who is going to tell us name one water transport? Okay,
Raise your hand.
raise your hand.
Yes, Charvi, unmute yourself. Yes, beta.
Yes, beta, speak up. Name one air transport.
Airplane.
Very good. Aeroplane.
Okay,
Okay,
now the
now.
next question is which type of train is this?
Now raise your hand. Quickly. Yes, Vedic, unmute yourself. Yes, Vedic, quickly, unmute yourself.
Good train.
Very good.
Very nice.
Good strain. Very
Okay,
nice.
now who is going to give two examples of four-wheeler? Raise your hand. Siddharth, please unmute yourself.
नहीं. Jeep.
Very good. Jeep.
Yes.
One more.
Car.
Very good.
Very nice.
Okay, now which vehicle runs with the help of wings?
Who is going
Going
to
to
answer? Ayan, please unmute yourself.
आयन बोला. मैं.
बताओ आंसर बताओ.
Yes, beta. Which vehicle?
Aeroplane.
Very good.
Very
Aeroplane.
nice.
Very,
Very good,
nice.
सबको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आए ना means of transport?
Yes, ma'am. Our kids are very intelligent. They know everything.
Yes, ma'am. They're very smart. Okay?
Yes. Wow, kids. Very good. Okay, now.
Wow, I have two chocolates. आज तो मुझे मम्मा ने two chocolates दी है.
Wow, I have 6 toffees. मम्मा ने मुझे 6 toffees दी है. Wow, मेरी favorite toffees.
वाओ, और पता है मुझे मम्मा ने तो बोला है कि आपको अपनी चॉकलेट्स अपने फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर करनी है. सो मैं तो अपनी चॉकलेट्स अपनी फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर करूंगी.
Oh, see, these are my favorite toffees. I'll not share with anyone. मैं तो किसी के साथ अपनी टॉफीज शेयर नहीं करूंगी. Excuse me.
Yes.
Hi.
Hello.
See, I have 6 toffees.
Oh wow, ये तो मेरी फेवरेट टॉफीज हैं.
Oh,
Can you please give me one?
no. I said I'll not share with anyone. मैं किसी के साथ अपनी टॉफीज शेयर नहीं करूंगी.
It's okay. बट मम्मा ने तो मुझे 2 चॉकलेट्स दी है और मुझे बोला है कि आपको अपनी चॉकलेट्स अपनी फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर करनी है. सो मैं तो ये अपनी फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर करूंगी. Excuse me.
Yes.
See, I have 2 chocolates.
Wow, chocolates.
Yes, and you know मुझे मम्मा ने बोला है कि आपको अपनी चॉकलेट अपनी फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर करनी है.
Oh.
So you are my friend, na?
Yes.
So I will share this with you. Can you
Oh.
please take one?
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, my friend shared a chocolate with me. अब मैंने तो उनको अपनी टॉफीज नहीं शेयर कराई. Then, okay, excuse me.
Yes.
I'm really sorry. मैंने अपनी टॉफीज आपके साथ शेयर नहीं की, पर आपने तो अपनी चॉकलेट मेरे साथ शेयर की. I'm really sorry.
It's okay.
Okay, now take one toffee.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay, so kids, हमने कौन से words देखे इसमें?
So kids, हमने इसमें magical words देखे ना, golden words.
Words,
So magical words और
yes.
golden words कौन-कौन से होते हैं?
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please.
Please.
And sorry.
And sorry.
So kids, what are these?
These are magical words or golden words.
Yes, these are magical words or golden words.
All right, kids.
So kids, when do we use excuse me?
We use excuse me when we want to seek attention.
Yes, हम excuse me कब use करते हैं? जब हमें किसी की attention चाहिए होती है. Then we use excuse me.
All right, kids. So हम excuse me कब use करते हैं? जब हमें किसी की attention चाहिए होती है.
Yes, and when do we use thank you?
So we use thank you when someone helps us.
Yes, हम thank you कब use करते हैं? जब कोई हमारी help करता है.
या फिर अपनी things हमारे साथ share करता है.
तब हमें क्या बोलना चाहिए? Thank you. Okay, kids. And when do we use please?
We use please when we want something from someone.
Yes, हम please कब use करते हैं? जब हमें कुछ चाहिए होता है, जब हमें request करते हैं. So then we use please.
Okay, kids. So हम please कब use करते हैं? जब हमें किसी से कुछ चाहिए होता है या फिर हम किसी को request करते हैं ना, तो हमें क्या use करना होता है?
Please. And when do we use sorry?
We use sorry when we hurt someone.
Yes, हम sorry कब use करते हैं? जब हम किसी को चोट पहुंचाते हैं, तब हम क्या बोलते हैं? Sorry.
So kids, हम sorry कब use करते हैं? जब हम किसी को hurt करते हैं या फिर हम कुछ गलत काम करते हैं, तो हम क्या use करते हैं?
Sorry.
Okay, kids. So what were these?
These were golden words or magical words.
So kids, हमें इन golden words को and magical words को अपनी life में
Use
use
करना
करना
है.
चाहिए daily.
Yes. And kids, हम तो good babies है ना, इसलिए हमें इन्हें अपनी life में, हमें daily life में use करना चाहिए. All right, kids. So kids, what are these? These are golden words or magical words. कौन से होते हैं golden words? Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please.
Please.
And sorry.
And sorry.
Okay, kids. Now we'll do a rhyme
On golden words.
Okay,
So are
kids.
you all ready, kids? सबको
Yes.
आपके साथ speak करनी है अच्छे से.
First of all, we'll say our title. The title of our rhyme is Golden Words. We say thank you. We say please.
We say thank you. We say please.
And excuse me when we sneeze.
And excuse me when we sneeze.
That's the way
That's the way
we do what's right.
we do what's right.
We have manners.
We have manners.
We are polite.
We are polite.
Yes, okay. We did a rhyme on golden words.
और
Magical words. Okay, kids. So golden words कौन से होते हैं? Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Please.
Please.
Sorry.
Sorry.
And thank you.
And thank you.
So kids, ये कौन से words हैं? Golden words और magical words.
All right, kids.
So kids, tomorrow is Guru Gobind Singh Jayanti. Okay, kids. So हम गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जयंती क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं?
Kids, it's the festival of Sikhs. Guru Gobind Singh Ji कौन थे? Guru Gobind Singh Ji was the 10th Guru of Sikhs. Okay.
Yes, गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी कौन थे? गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी
सिक्स के 10th गुरु थे.
Yes, सिखों के 10वें गुरु थे. Okay, kids. And kids, what were his teachings?
His teachings were कि हमें हमेशा truth बोलना चाहिए.
हमें हमेशा सच बोलना चाहिए.
And kids, he was very brave. He sacrificed his life for the nation.
Yes.
हमें भी सारी problems का bravery से सामना करना चाहिए. और
Yes.
अपनी bad habits को sacrifice कर देना चाहिए.
Yes. Okay, kids. So kids, and what else?
And kids, we should always share our
Share.
meals with needy people.
Yes.
Okay,
kids.
so हमें हमेशा अपने meals, अपना food
Food.
waste नहीं करना चाहिए. उन्हें needy people के साथ
शेयर करना चाहिए.
Kids,
किड्स कितने ब्लेस्ड है ना, हमारे पास शेल्टर है, फूड है. सो किड्स, हमें अपना फूड वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. हमें उन्हें किनके साथ शेयर करना चाहिए?
नीडी पीपल के साथ.
साथ.
आपने देखा है ना किड्स, कितने सारे नीडी पीपल होते हैं, उनके पास फूड नहीं होता. तो हमें
Yes.
अपना खाना उनके साथ शेयर करना चाहिए. ओके, एंड वी शुड डोनेट 1/10 part of our earnings to needy people.
यस किड्स, हम जितना भी अर्न करते हैं ना, उसका 10% हमें नीडी पीपल को डोनेट करना चाहिए.
All
Okay,
right,
kids?
kids. So ये सारी teachings उनकी हमें अपनी लाइफ में फॉलो करनी चाहिए.
Yes.
And so that we should become a good human being.
We should become a good person. Okay? So kids, tomorrow is Guru Gobind Singh Jayanti. Okay, kids. And what else we did today?
Yes, kids. What we did means of transport.
We did means of transport. And what else we did? We did golden words or magical words.
So हमने किए थे ना आज kids golden words और magical words. फिर हमने उन पे एक rhyme भी की.
Yes, so kids, golden words कौन से होते हैं?
Please,
Please,
excuse me,
excuse me,
thank you,
thank you,
and sorry.
and sorry.
So kids, हमें इन golden words को अपनी daily life में use करना है. Okay, ये बहुत good
Yes.
words है ना. So हमें भी good babies बनना है ना.
So इसलिए हमें इन golden words को अपनी daily life में अच्छे से follow करना है. Okay, kids. So ये हमारी कौन सी classes चल रही हैं?
ये हमारी live classes चल रही हैं.
और आप हमारी recorded classes को स्कूल WhatsApp ग्रुप पे जो आपको लिंक शेयर होता है उसे ओपन करके देख सकते हैं, या फिर स्कूल YouTube चैनल पे भी देख सकते हैं.
You can like and subscribe the school YouTube channel for
Regular updates. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.